Hey, everybody, this is Neil. In this short message about 8 weeks into our course, I want to remind everyone that job one this term is to knock out your required Comp 2 course and keep your academic momentum. These online circumstances are not ideal for most of us, but 8 weeks in, so far, so great. Everyone who's participating is in good or better shape thus far, with further learning opportunities ahead to enhance your position. Let's not lose focus. As I promised at the start, I'm here for each of you, and I'm not going to let anybody down. Now, just for some context for this Evelyn module, here's a critical paragraph from the syllabus, and it reads, throughout the course, the student is invited to think about crucial matters, always, always with a view to personal and professional aspirations. The question all through the class is life's central question: what should we do? How should we live? You could ask yourself this question this way: who am I, and where in the world do I belong? You've begun to see how the Evelyn unit engages this urgent existential question in posing these shoulds. What should Evelyn do? Stay home or bolt with Frank? And what, as her true friend, should you advise her to do? Uh, in grappling again with the duty versus beauty dilemma, we're looking forward to the last course project, the research essay, in which work you'll be learning more about something you love, about one of your beauties. That essay is due April 21st. So eyes on the prize. Keep at it. Keep having an extraordinary learning experience and fulfilling your Comp 2 requirement. Any concerns? You can call me anytime. I'd be delighted to hear from you.